Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Dadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today I am going to share a recipe which is very popular and everyone's favorite. Especially in a restaurant or dhaba, people prefer to eat this dish. It's black pepper chicken kadhai or kali mirch chicken kadhai, or in some places it is also known as black chicken curry. It's another dish which could be prepared in a short time by using few ingredients. You can make this dish with lamb, mutton or beef as well. But when we say let's cook something jhatpat, so definitely we prepare this dish with chicken. Let's check the ingredients to make this simple but mouth-watering dish. Chicken 1 kg, garam masala 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, black pepper 1 tablespoon, salt according to taste, 2 green chilies, tomato 4 medium size, yogurt 4 tablespoon, ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, oil 1 cup, for garnishing 1 green chili, 1 inch ginger in julienne cut, and 2 to 3 tablespoons freshly chopped green coriander. Now it's a cooking time. Flame is low. First thing first, I will add half cup water, and here goes chicken in it. It's a 1 cup yogurt, but I will only add 2 tablespoon yogurt in it. Basically, I will boil chicken in yogurt and all the spices. Turmeric. Turmeric will bring a nice color in it. Salt according to your taste, but here I am using half teaspoon. And here goes freshly grated black pepper. I am using half teaspoon. And this is my homemade garam masala. I am using quarter teaspoon. And here freshly grated ginger garlic. So I am using half teaspoon here. Now flame is high. Now I will mix them together and let it boil. When it will get first boil, I will bring the flame down and cover the pot and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Chicken is getting tender. In the meantime, we will prepare curry or masala. Let's start. To make curry or masala, we need to saute onion. Guys, in this dish, we don't need brown onion. Brown onion will change the taste of this kadhai. You can see onion is thinly sliced, so it will cut down our cooking time and get softened nicely. Otherwise, you might need to grind it to make fine puree. Now onion is transparent. It's a time to add tomatoes in it. Guys, here I am using frozen tomato. So I will add tomatoes in it and mix it well and cover the pot to dissolve the tomato quickly for about 2 to 3 minutes. Onion and tomatoes are getting tender. Let's check the chicken. Guys, you can see chicken is half done. At this point, we need half done chicken. I will switch off the cooker and keep the chicken aside. When curry or masala will be ready, I will combine chicken and curry together. So at that stage, chicken will get fully tender. Let's check the tomatoes. Tomatoes are softened and its skins are coming out. You can pull its skin out easily. Guys, here I am using thong to pull its skin out. You can use a fork or wait to cool it down to pull it out with your hands. Now it's a time to add rest of the spices in it. First goes coriander powder, and here is my homemade garam masala powder. I will save 1/4 of it to sprinkle at the end. I already put salt in chicken, so here I am adding just 1/4 teaspoon. Guys, you can adjust according to your taste. And here goes freshly grated ginger garlic in it. I will save 2 pinches of black pepper and add rest of it in it. Now it's a time to mix well. I will mash tomato and onion with my wooden spoon. And guys, this dish hardly takes 15 to 20 minutes to get ready, and especially when we cook the dish in 2 parts, it cut down our cooking time, which we really want in our busy routine. We want to cook something delicious but chatpat. And guys, it's a black pepper chicken kadhai. It won't look bright, but if you want to give a bright look to your kadhai, you can add Kashmiri chili powder. It's an optional. Now it's mixed well. I will cover it and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Guys, let's check curry. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See, oil is oozing out and there is no liquid in it. Now I will mash it well to make paste on low heat. And guys, in kadhai we don't make fine paste. Now it's done and it's a time to combine chicken and curry together. So I will keep this pot aside and bring the chicken pots front. You can see there is some liquid in it. We need it, especially when we add curry in it and fry on high flame. It keeps the dish soft and juicy. Now I am adding curry in it. I will fry chicken and curry on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am adding green chili in it. It will give a nice flavor in curry. Now guys, you can see liquid is almost dried. So this is the time to add the rest of the yogurt in it. I will fry it on high flame to dry all the extra liquid quickly. At this stage, when our kadhai is almost ready, I will check the seasoning. Now I am adding half teaspoon salt. You can adjust according to your taste, and I will mix it well. At the end, here go black pepper and garam masala in it to give the fresh aroma in kadhai. You can see oil is oozing out. That means our kadhai is getting on. Actually, we serve this kadhai with naan, roti or paratha, but it goes well with rice as well. And especially if you serve it with keto bread, as we know that keto bread is crumbly, not soft like wheat flour roti, so we leave with liquid in it. Kadhai is almost ready. Guys, at this point, if you want bit gravy or shorba in it, so you can add 1/4 cup water in it. It's entirely up to you. Now I will add ginger, and chili is already gone in it, so just a small piece of chili and green coriander in it. Chicken is fully tender, so I will mix it very gently and let it simmer just for 30 seconds on low flame, and our dish will be ready. Let's check the dish. Wow, the aroma of this black chicken kadhai is amazing. I dish it out and show you. Here is my black pepper chicken kadhai. I hope you will like it. If you like my video, to give it thumbs up. I will bring more interesting recipes. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.